We are tracking strong winds tonight that could lead to fires. They are also leading to more and more power outages.
That's right. KCAL News reporter Nicole Comstock live tonight in Fontana, where many are in the dark. Nicole?
Yeah, you guys, we're still having some of those gusty winds tonight across the Inland Empire, and they're giving some people anxiety. For one thing, as you mentioned, they're worried about fires popping up with everything going on across LA. And for another thing, they're having their power turned off over and over again. Santa Ana winds are ripping through Rosana Ranch in San Bernardino. The only thing louder is the chorus of generators reverberating between the walls of these homes.
It's like a psychological, emotional roller coaster.
Shanae Smith and her neighbors have had their power turned off and on and back off again for a week now.
It's terrible because my wife has the flu. So I have to make sure the house is heated for her and stuff like that.
Thankfully, Donald Ballard has a generator, but Smith can't find one anywhere. She says the threat of wind-driven fires has emergency supplies sold out in some stores.
Because the generator craze, like I would love to go get a generator, but they've been out of stock in 50-mile, 60-mile radiuses.
To help prevent wildfires caused by equipment failures and tree limbs flying into power lines, SoCal Edison has cut the power to 53,000 customers in our 6 local counties. And a staggering 483,000 more customers are still on a watch list to lose their lights until the severe weather improves.
So I just think they're scared of being sued because of the power lines, but there's none around here close. They're all underground.
To make matters worse, his neighbors had their generators stolen during this power outage. The San Bernardino County Sheriff's Department says they later arrested a Moreno Valley parolee and charged him with looting and grand theft. And a lot of people there in San Bernardino say the last they heard from Southern California Edison, they could have their power back on by Thursday evening, which means potentially another 2 full days in cold weather without having power on for their families. Southern California Edison always says they do this as a last resort to keep everyone safe, to help prevent fires, and they know that it's a burden on communities. Reporting live in Fontana, Nicole Comstock, KCAL News.